This is a town that lives and breathes books and continues, of course, all year round, long after the festival's packed up.
Y yo creo que todos saben que esto ha nacido aquí en Gales y recibimos mucha audiencia que viene con curiosidad de conocer el lugar donde nació la semilla de esta creación de espacios tan especiales.
Mae'n fraint arbennig wrth gwrs i gael rhoi croeso I Gymru I awduron o bedwar ban byd.
Wales, we're a nation of storytellers, poets, singers, all of it.
It is clearly rooted in its kind of Welsh base, but it's an international event with people coming from all over. That marriage of sort of intensely Welsh and the broader international is a really attractive one.
Hay is more than a festival. It's a mirror held up to reflect us at our most thoughtful, our most generous, and at our most curious as a people. Dim ond fan hyn all y gwyl fel hyn ddigwydd fi'n credu, achos yng Nghymru ni'n deall pŵer stori.